What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I have another awesome recipe for you guys to enjoy. We are gonna be making the most delicious garlic butter shrimp, baby. So easy, so delicious, and you already know I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's not waste any time and get right on into the recipe. So to begin, in my mixing bowl, I have about, let's say, 1.5 pounds of some jumbo shrimp. These are peeled, deveined with the tail off. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil onto them. These are patted, dry and whatnot. You definitely want them dry, of course, because you really want that seasoning to stick. We want a nice, beautiful sear on our shrimp right here. So now I am gonna season it up proper. You already know how we do. This is our seasoning blend right here. Everything will be listed on the screen and in the description box as always. So go ahead and be generous and make sure your shrimp are well coated up. Obviously, you could use any size shrimp of your choosing, but I love using a jumbo shrimp. And if you could find that red Argentine shrimp, oh my goodness, game over. I haven't had that in so freaking long, but red Argentine shrimp, if you get your hands on it, it's so good. A lot of people say it tastes very, very similar to lobster. And yes, it's pretty much one of the best shrimp you can eat. That is if you can find it. So you want your shrimp to be well seasoned up just like this. And once it is, we are going to move on to the next step. I have my pan here to about a medium high. And I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil into the pan just like so. And then we're gonna just go ahead and drop that shrimp right on in. Get these bad boys sizzling. I already know this recipe is gonna be so amazing. I cannot wait to dig into this one, guys. My pan is getting a little crowded, but you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. We're gonna try to make them all fit and get some of this love right here. Oh yeah. So our shrimp, we're gonna let it cook for about, let's say 2.5 minutes per side. And once we get that, I'll show you guys what we're gonna do next. So there we go. Just let it sit for about 2.5 minutes and then we're gonna give it a flip. So it's about time to give these bad boys a flip. They are looking so good so far. Look at that. You want to get that nice, beautiful color on these shrimp and really lock in all that flavor, all that yummy seasoning that we put on this right here. We're just locking it in. Locking all that yumminess in. Oh yeah. Look at that. Amazing. All right, so you already know what it is. You're gonna let it sit for another 2 minutes or so on that other side. And then we're gonna start working on that delicious butter sauce once we get there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this from the pan. Turn that heat down just for now. Cause we got a lot of goodness on the bottom of this pan right here. We don't wanna lose it. Let's go ahead and just take all that out. Now that we have our shrimp removed, I'm gonna hit it with about 1/4 cup of some chicken broth. I like to use chicken broth because it gives it more of like a saucy consistency with that butter. I'm also gonna toss in some minced garlic. Let's say about 2 tablespoons of some minced garlic. Go ahead and just mix that up. And if you know you don't like chicken broth or whatnot, I know some people don't eat meat and whatnot, you go ahead and use some vegetable stock or something to that effect, you know what I mean? Or you can just not use anything at all and just use the butter. But I just love having that in addition to the butter. I feel like it gives it more of a saucy consistency, if you know what I mean. Now we're gonna toss in 1 stick of unsalted butter. I should have definitely kind of chopped it up so it melts a little bit easier. But you want that to melt down. We're also gonna toss in about 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce. I am using some Louisiana hot sauce. And then we're not done yet. We have to add a little bit of lemon juice. So this is the juice of, half a lemon going in. I'm struggling a little bit because my left hand is a little bit screwed up. I did get in a car accident earlier this week, and I have 10 stitches in my left hand. So that's why we're kind of grinding one-handed right now, trying to make it do what it do. And it's going, guys, it's going, because this sauce is looking so good right now. So we got that juice of half a lemon in there, stirring up all this goodness. How beautiful is this sauce right here, guys? Come on now, stop playing with your boy. That butter still struggling to melt down how I want to, but it's getting there. Now it is time to reintroduce our yummy, yummy shrimp. So we're just gonna go ahead and toss all that goodness right into our pan. And we're also gonna sprinkle in a little bit of freshly chopped parsley, just like that. And you wanna go ahead and give all this a mix. And this dish right here, it goes perfect with some spaghetti. You can also eat it over rice, over mashed potato. As far as the sides to complement this right here, the options are pretty much endless, guys. There is so many ways to enjoy this right here. And we're pretty much done, guys. Look at that, guys. Come on now, stop playing with your boy. You cannot tell me this does not look beautiful, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Wow. Looking good, smelling good as always. Let's dig in. Let's not waste any more time, guys. This is just looking so good. Nice and saucy, baby. Cheers, guys. That's good. Wow. Oh yeah. That's amazing right there. Woo! So freaking good. Wow. Let me get another one, because this is bomb, guys. So freaking good. Wow. This right here is simply amazing. All the seasonings that we put in here are coming to life. You get a little hint of spice, nothing too much, just a hint from those red pepper flakes. You got that lemon coming through that complements these shrimps so well. Very, very delicious. That's all I can say, guys. You better get in your kitchen and make this today. I'm letting you know, because you missing out if you don't. You know what I mean? So good, so easy to make. Get in your kitchen and get it done. Hope you guys all enjoyed today's recipe. If you enjoyed, make sure you leave me a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content. Subscribe if you're new. Rock that notification bell. You will not be notified when I upload if you do not rock that bell. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. I gotta finish up this shrimp right here. I'll see you all on the next video. Deuces.